Good?
Oh my god. That's probably the best cherry I've ever eaten.
Wow.
I thought it was gonna be a bit sour because they're like slightly, like they're not super red yet, but it was so good and sweet and delicious. Even if they're not, they remind super sweet.
Okay, maybe the drive was worth it.
Yeah.
We've spent our entire 20s being best friends.
We survived university together, traveled together,
Moved to a foreign country together, survived long distances apart,
and made it back together during a global pandemic.
all while making each other laugh along the way.
If we've learned one thing in our 20s, it's that having amazing friendships is everything.
And we want to say bon voyage to this decade in an unforgettable way.
So, since we've been besties for the last 10 years,
Over the next 10 months, we're going to try and finish visiting 30 countries before our 30th birthdays. And we couldn't do it without bringing you along. We're going to document the whole process, so grab your bestie and get ready for an amazing adventure. All right, welcome to maybe the coolest, most beautiful Airbnb I've ever seen. It's called Casa de Passagem, and we are literally in the hills of Portugal, the vineyards of Portugal right now. This is incredible. Let's go. I can't wait to start. First, like, just look at how beautiful and cute and amazing all these like stonework and houses are. This is one of the main houses, and then this is the house that we're going to be staying in. And we'll head up here afterwards for even more surprises up this beautiful pathway and come on into the main house.
oh no. Wow.
This is the main house where we'll be staying. First, how vibey is this? This looks amazing. I love the stone. I love the beams. It feels like we're in like an ancient time. Literally, this is amazing.
It's quite cool in here too
Because of the stone. Yeah, it's like super cool, kind of like cave-like in a really good way. There is an amazing, beautiful wood burning oven that you can use kind of like a barbecue. Maybe we'll be using that tonight. Continuing on, there's a full kitchen area. It even has a burner stovetop, so in case we can't get that barbecue to work, we'll use this. And also on this side, we have the gorgeous picnic-style dining table. I feel like you could fit an entire family of 12 farmers here. That's how many people you would need to be getting all these beautiful cherries outside. And this will be Jamin's bed for tonight. They put out a third bed for us as a third spot. Moving on into the living room area, we have a beautiful couch and a double bed where MacKenzie and I will be sleeping tonight.
Romantic.
The man did mention that, what?
I said romantic.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
I'm like, cut that out.
The man did mention that the guest yesterday put 2 blankets on, and he was like, that's weird. I don't know why they would do that. And we explained we're from Canada, so we probably won't need that.
I also thought about it more, and I'm like, they were from Iceland. And in Scandinavia, it's common to have 2 comforters.
So they probably had it one for each of them.
Yeah.
That makes a lot of sense. We were thinking it was from like a hot place originally, but that makes a lot of sense. Even look at this artwork. I'm obsessed. They've done such a beautiful job decorating in here that it really feels like... Stop laughing at my artwork. This is beautiful. They've done such a good job decorating in here to give it such like a vibey feel. I feel like this fits so well. It's
a
like,
little TV. Yeah,
a little TV, very modern, and then a nice wood-burning stove. Is this a wood-burning fireplace?
Yeah,
wood-burning fireplace.
Okay, a washroom tour.
Continuing through to the washroom. Come on in here. We have a sink. We have a toilet and a bidet. Love a bidet. And a shower. And then my favorite part of the washroom, a little window into the main room.
Why?
So we can peep on each other. And so that if someone has a nasty smell, we can crack this open and let it breathe.
Into the whole room.
Exact. Gotta dissipate. Let's head back up.
Imagine you're sitting out there.
It opens up and it's just... That's gonna be later.
Oh! Catching stray bullets left, right, and center. But yeah, it is so cute in here.
It really feels like it is clearly been touched because there's some modern upgrades and there's modern appliances, but it has such a rustic, untouched feel, which I love. It really suits the property so well.
It feels like you're just like getting away from the world.
Yes, we pulled up and we literally were like, is there going to be Wi-Fi? I don't think there's going to be Wi-Fi because it gives the vibe that you are just like off the grid, out in the nature, out in the vineyards. Like, where else would you want to be in Portugal? Oh my God. Now we're going to go up to the roof for some even more surprises.
These beads are for the bugs. I saw a TikTok about this once. Like the bugs don't go through it.
Is that just because there's like minimal space between them, or?
And I think like the shape of them and like the breeze through. Oh,
super cool.
Jimin just walked by. It was hilarious.
Okay, well, let's go find him. So following me up this gorgeous stone pathway, I love these walls. Look at little baby succulents.
That is actually
so freaking cute. Little baby succulents.
That's so cute. Plant girls, come here now. Dun, dun, dun,
and here we have a spectacular view of the vineyards and the hills and the valleys. We're very close to Vilaria, the town in Portugal. We're about 10 minutes away. And we are out in the boondoggles, as my mom would say.
But that's the thing, it feels like it. But the town is 10 minutes away.
Yeah, we're 5 to 10 minutes from
town.
And
I think it's like a small city.
And then continuing up this side of the path, watch your head because I stabbed my head before.
Oh no. He literally said, go anywhere. Explore. He said, eat anything you find.
Yeah, he said, if you open a fence, just make sure to close it. And we were like, okay.
Eat any of the vegetables you find.
Yeah, he said there's salad in the corner if we want to make a salad. I said, yes.
Oh my gosh, this.
We have a little picnic bench here if you wanted to have an outdoor gathering. We have a gorgeous little swing set with the most beautiful views of Portugal. So fun. This will be me in the morning. And then on to this direction. If you look up a little bit, you can see our friend. Hi, Mr. Donkey.
Literally a donkey's ass.
Literally an ass. He's so cute. Look at him. Oh, hi, Baba. He said that we can give them cherries from the cherry tree down below. So we will definitely be doing that.
And there's a baby one. We have to go find the baby.
We have to go find the baby. Oh my God.
Sorry,
I'm coming back for you, baby. The views here are spectacular. There is even a road across the street, but because of this big canyon, it's like you feel so separated and it's so quaint and beautiful. I'm sure we're gonna find so many hidden secrets here. I can't wait. And I'm just so excited to stay the night here. This is gonna be so cool. He came down to find us. We're gonna go get you cherries. Aww.
Quick, John.
Going to get some cherries. Okay. Got him.
Look, I'm coming.
Oh my God. Okay.
We have to go get more food. He has...
Yeah.
Got it?
I got the flags on that one.
Oh.
Here, Bubba.
Where's your friends?
He wants more, Bubba.
I know, but I want to share too with everyone.
Oh no, I dropped it. Yes, good boy. Oh.
Would you like a miniature? I think you're a girl too. Maybe actually you're a boy. I think.
Gender's a construct. Tear it apart, donkeys. Hi.
Oh, look at how tiny they are.
Hi, baby. Hi. Aw, don't eat my shirt. That's not food, Bubba. That's my shirt. Hi, my sweetie. Jamin made us a fire. Iconic. I made charcuterie boards. Dinner is served.
It's incredible.
It literally does. Like all of this in a wood oven. Yes.
I know, you really went full Martha.
Good morning from the hills of Portugal. Waking up here this morning was probably one of the most peaceful experiences this whole trip so far. Like, you're just laying in bed, you can hear the birds and the wind, and we left the windows open so that the sun would trickle in a little bit. Staying here has been one of the coolest parts of the trip so far, just because it's so different than staying in like a town. It feels so authentic, and it was so sweet. Even there was like the man Ricardo who runs this Airbnb, his parents were here with him yesterday. just fixing the vineyard and doing little chores around the house, and it's just so cool to see. It's such a different experience, a different side of Portugal to see while staying here. Yesterday, while I was driving, keep in mind, I've only been driving a manual car for 4 days now. I drove for like 5.5 hours, no problem. Baba! Oh, all I see is your bun. Pop up. I was just explaining that I was just explaining that yesterday I drove for 5.5 hours in the standard car with no problem. And then, of course, as we get into the town, stressful moments. I think I psyched myself out. I knew this experience was going to come, and I stalled on a hill. Luckily, there was these two amazing and kind men who literally jumped out and in Portuguese said, do you need help? And I was like, Inglés? And then they said, do you need help? And he literally jumped in the car and got us over into the parking lot. All that to be said, the end of the travel day yesterday was super stressful. I started to panic, and I just think I was waiting for that moment, and then it happened. So it was just not the way I wanted to end the day. It wasn't how the day ended. That's true. At the same time, I feel like in some ways it needed to happen, because I think I psyched myself out before that experience, and then it happened, and it was just proof that if you psych yourself out, it's gonna happen.
Whether you think you can or can't.
You're probably right.
Yeah.
And I had such a good talk with MacKenzie and Jamin last night about that, and just about how amazing I have been doing driving the standard car, and how I just need to focus on that. In some ways, I feel like I needed to have that scary experience and stall and panic. And let me tell you, I had a full-blown panic in the grocery store. But at the same time, I needed that to happen just because, I don't know, it sounds so dramatic to say you need to hit rock bottom, but I needed that to happen to prove to myself that that is not the solution. The solution is to be you got this, you've already been doing this, and you can do it again. Before that, I was just explaining how peaceful it was here. Mm-hmm. And how even after all that, one night here, and it's there's no need to panic. Just listen to the birds.
Anxiety cured.
Listen to the wind, listen to the birds. Take a deep breath. So yeah, this has become a total side topic change, but I'm just so happy to be here. No! Baba! Good morning!
Good morning!
All that to say, I'm so happy we're staying
here.
here. The donkey's ready for cherries, so we need to get up. This place is so cool. Yeah, it's just so different than I've ever stayed at before. And I feel like I'm a little Portuguese vineyard farmer. I'm okay, cherries for the donkeys, let's go.